Hi friends, I'm in a bit of a dilemma. The tyre on my bandsaw wheel shattered, and apparently, according to our famous YouTube, there's no way of fixing it. You've got to buy new. Well, my bandsaw, it's not old, but I can't find a replacement, so we're gonna have to try and make one. Well, he says it's impossible, so you know me, I'm gonna have a go. So wish me the luck. I'm gonna video it anyway, just in case, and if it don't work, it don't work. If it does work, it'll be a first. I've got a couple of ideas, so unless you know better, it's a Starrite RS1. The wheel is 11.5 inches in diameter, and it was a 1998, so it's not that old really. It's a nice looking bandsaw. You've obviously seen it in the videos, but it just shattered on me, and I'm lost without it. I am absolutely lost without it, so it's gotta be fixed ASP. I've already lost money today. Let's go. Stop messing about sitting here. Right, this is my new workshop. Shirley's kitchen. I got a bit of rubber. We cut it over the works. This is a mat out of a horse box, so hopefully no pee or poo poo on it. I've cleaned this with a flapper disc. We got a choice of this, which I was going to use. Spray it on, give it a couple of minutes. Oh, we got this Fast Cure, supposed to be one of the strongest glues in the world. Razor blades, masking tape. So I'll run it by you what I'm thinking of doing. I'm going to stick a bit of masking tape there, spray all the way around, so when this glues it doesn't stick, because there'll be masking tape on there as well, so that bit don't get glued. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So it's glued all the way around there till I get to something like that. Then I'm going to hold that down there, and I'm going to do, hopefully, a dovetail joint there, which will mark the masking tape, so then I can copy the masking tape cut onto this piece, and then spray, take off masking tape. This is already stuck there like that. Spray, and that should fit into the dovetail. And then we'll try it, but as you know, health and safety says this won't work, so it's worth hanging around to see if it does work, because I'm going to film it. So I've got stand blades, that's about it. Right, we're going to lay that on there. No, and it's probably going to stick to there. Well, that's where it goes. It is dry, so I know you can't see me. Well, it feels quite good, but that means absolutely fucking nothing. Right, we've got these two little things now. Should peel off. Take the masking tape off. There. Now we've got to cut a dovetail or something in there that will go in so it's more surface to meet the glue. You know, can you see anything I'm doing? So that can come off there, and that can come off there, I think. Right, when we draw a dovetail or a just have a go in a 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch, go across. I think we just cut it like that. That's going to be hard enough, but we'll have a go. Robert just cut it, so that's not bad. I can feel it going through. There you go. Cut that sheep out of there. A couple of bits in it, they'll come out. So now of my way for a minute. There. Now we can work on this piece. So do the same. Bit of masking. First cut is how long we want it, which was there, about 1/4 of an inch, something like that. Let's just let that go a minute and have a binge. So now a bit more duct tape, yeah. Get that out of my damn weight. Just fold it back up like that. I don't know what you can see, I'm really getting here, so. Right, down the lines. It's not exactly a dovetail, but it's a square, a box joint. Right, there's your one off. That's your two off. So now let's have a quick demo. It's nice, except it's a bit too long. My tongue is a bit long. It's not long, it's actually, it's furry. It's not clean cut. I'm going to just keep nipping away now till this fits pretty, and then it's 3 times the amount of glue to hold on to it, innit? So all in all it might just work out right. See? That's nice, that's nice. It's just this tongue, you know, just sticking to everything. Sad because it's round. They should have done a square wheel. Okay. Right, we're going to take everything off now. Hopefully. And we're going to spray in there. We're going to spray in there, and we're going to spray there, and every damn while we can spray, we're going to spray. Okay, so it's all sprayed. Let's give it a couple of minutes. Well, it's been 3 minutes already, so I'll give it another minute and then we're going for it. And then we're going to wrap duct tape around the whole wheel twice for safety. I'm not used to working at kitchen tables. Well, it looks good. Looks lovely. I did cut 2 pieces of rubber. For the top wheel as well, if need be. Well, it's definitely got it. I don't know if you can see that. It's pointless doing this, but we'll have a go. Yeah, you can see it. Little step there. Look. So we're going to wrap it anyway with duct tape. It's purely a safety precaution. If it's going to fly off, let it fly off towards you, not towards me. Right, I don't think I can cut her in there, but I'll have a crack. Would have hurt left on really, would it? Makes it look sexy. Yeah, leave it on. Make it look sexy. Turbo. Right. We're going into the shed. We're going to wire it up. We're going to see if it works. Follow me. I've lost the nuts. So, 1, 2, 3. I found the 3 nuts. Let's put the wheel on. Right, I've got to loosen off my guides because this is obviously a lot fatter than it used to be. Same as me. Let me just loosen this one. Right, I see about there. That feels good down there. Let's shut all the doors. Let's put that safety guard on. At least it goes flying around, the better. Shut this door. Move the spanners. Stand by you, or can I stand behind you? No, I'm only joking. We'll put you about there, how's that? and we're going to press the button. And I'm going to press the button by here. That's alright, I stood on something. It's just junk. Ready? So far, I'm not seeing great. I'm not seeing anything. What we're going to do is check everything. And put everything back. Well, I've got to be honest, that looks pretty good. Right, shut it. Shut the doors. So everything is damn well safe. Switch it on and sing Hallelujah. Just have another check there. Blade is actually running slightly backwards now, so need to but that's great. That's absolutely spot on. Sounds stupid, but it even sounds nicer, so that's happy grandpa, not angry, happy. And now for something completely different. Worth a watch. 1998. Captain Jerk. No. Watching. Right, do that again. Stop wasting time. Let's get going. I've been sat here too long watching John Sellers. Captain Kirk. Captain Jerk. Sorry, Captain. Stick where the masking tape is. Let it dry a bit. Too aggressively tacky. Whatever aggressively tacky is. Oh. Are you fucking whispering for, Shell? I don't know you. Fucking gotta get in my way all the time. Wants to be a film fucking star. I'm in your kitchen, I suppose, you know. Well, it feels quite good. That means absolutely fucking nothing. Sad because it's round. They should have done a square wheel.
And you know the nerd? I dragged him off his horse.
Okay.
I killed him.
He's going to be crying now, is he?
He sweared though.
He what?
He sweared, he said the F word, then he said dude at the end.
He's on the Xbox, he is, and for the top wheel as well, if need be. We don't know if the top wheel needs doing yet. And we're going to spray in there, and we're going to spray there, and every damn well we can spray, we're going to spray.
Bacon or cheese and bacon. I got for a cocktail. That's the only two flavours.
I'm sorry, this is ours, not yours.
So it's those or nothing.
This is what we like now, not what you like.
Cheese and bacon or just bacon?
You little bugger. That's going on YouTube. Comes to my house and demands stuff we haven't got. What the hell they been teaching him around our house?
He created a monster.
Give the glue a bit more chance to do whatever it wants to do. Needs a new blade, but it's one of them ones that takes 4 hours to change. How far could a fucking nut go? Where are you? Oh, you're there. Just making sure where you are. Right, I've got to loosen off my guides because this is obviously a lot fatter than it used to be. Same as me. Drop that on the floor. Pick it up off the floor. Little angel eyes. Right, let's go down on my machine. Well, I think that's cooking. I don't mean I think that's cooking, I think that's cooking good. Looking. Let's just have this about it really. It just needs a bit of a tweeting. Tweet. That's done. Back to work for me. Took a day to sort out what I needed.